I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to graph two periods of the given cotangent function, y equal to cotangent of x. And so you're supposed to know some facts about the cotangent. First of all, it comes down and slants down and to the right. And so let's see, that would eliminate A and D. I mean, they'd be either tangent or negative cotan. This is a positive one. So immediately I know it's B or C, just by its positive here, cotan. The period for this is pi. And I can tell it's 2 pi, or it's pi over the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here is 1. So the period of it's pi. And the period for cotan, runs from 0 to pi. So if I look at these two guys, I mean, they're running from 0 to pi here. And so this one's matching up pretty good. This one looks like it's running from negative pi halves to pi halves. So I can immediately see just by, knowing the shape of it and knowing the period's 2 and the cotan goes from 0 to pi, I know it's C just by those. Also, you have a 2 here, which makes it a little bit steeper. If you come halfway between here and here, I guess then the y value should be a positive 2 here. If you come halfway between pi and 2 pi, or excuse me, between the x-intercept and pi, come halfway between them, that the y value be negative 2. I can see they're counting by 3s here on the y-axis. Hope that helps.